Okay, so uh, I've been down here purging and cleaning out and painting our basement, and in order to do that, I have to move all of our totes of Halloween and Christmas decorations and stuff from one side to the other, and paint a wall where I can get to, and then shift things from another spot to another spot, and be able to paint that section. So there's a corner back here behind. There's a corner behind the furnace that had some old doors and stuff, and old window screens and stuff that's been back there since we bought this house 17 years ago, and never really been back there. But I finally got all this out of here. All the old screens to the old storm windows that we don't even have in the house because we put new storm windows in are getting evicted and trashed. I might end up donating some of these wooden doors that have been back in the corner forever to the Madison Street Salvage. But the only thing we're keeping is the screens that actually go to our new storm windows we had put on a few years ago. But while I was at it, got this whole back corner behind the furnace cleaned out. Julie is like super excited about this. She wants to explore this creepy hole. But got all this stuff moved out of here, and she's already on it. Found a little hole back here in our basement wall.
Wait, there's something
That we're not sure where it leads to. So we want to scoop. It's got some debris in it that
this
we're going
might
to
actually lead to treasure. It might lead to treasure and gold.
Oh man, I don't know. Back in the old days, they hid money and valuables in some weird places. So we're gonna dig some of the sand and debris out of here and figure out what might be down in here.
Can you hand me a bigger shovel?
Well, you can. I don't know if this one is. The handle's kind of big to get down in there. So there is another doorway. We've got two different doorways to this part of the back of the basement.
But this one's filled up. I'm gonna have to harden some more. Oh my gosh. Can I have something to set this on?
Huh?
So I can see. Move this. I need a right there.
There's our light up here.
Thanks. What's this? Oh, this is deep. You might even find some bones.
Bones?
From, birds or dinosaurs. Because we might be able to sell that stuff for a lot of money. So we can have a garage sale if we find anything that's valuable. Dad, get back here and help me.
There's not much room back there.
Oh, I'm starting to get there. I gotta move this. Yuck. Oh, it's starting. I think I see something. Where does this lead?
I don't know.
I got lots of the dirt out so far. We might even find some bones. I like some stuff that my dad does. I help him a lot.
Some of you might just be joining us, but in the process of cleaning out and repainting my basement, or painting, I guess. Most of it's not painted right now. Painting and waterproofing our basement walls. I discovered a hole. I came up and mentioned it, and Julie was pretty excited about exploring this hole. A secret cave, secret tunnel. And seeing either where it leads to, or if there's a secret room in our house, or if maybe it's just a secret, if it's a secret compartment where they hide gold or treasure or money.
So we could sell that stuff for a lot. Gold is worth a lot.
Oh yeah, gold's worth some money, yeah. But yeah, there's some old doors and screens and stuff like that packed in this corner behind our furnace.
Oh my gosh!
And they've been back there for quite a while when we bought the house. And I never really have.
Oh my gosh! I feel like this thing ends, and
I've never really explored or looked behind them.
It still goes.
Keeps going.
Yeah. Do you see? Do you hear where it's stopping? Let me show them.
All right, Julie's gonna see
Done.
what we think might be the back of the hole.
Look at that. It goes way far.
Oh man, yeah.
And there might still be stuff.
Keep digging.
Here you go. I see my box right here too.
Just keep digging. Just keep digging.
Have a big shovel.
Oh yeah, it's just like the perfect width.
There, and we can dig through the dirt to see if we find anything.
Yeah. There might be something in there. Singing kids were playing down here in the basement a long time ago.
Oh my gosh.
Some little kid might have used that as a hiding spot. Imagine you're playing hide and seek in this house. Hide, whatever find.
Until you tell them that we found a spot.
I just gave you a good idea, didn't I?
And I never knew that was back there either. We have never knew until we found it.
Mm-hmm.
Which, this might be back in the old days, where there was a lot of gold and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Might even be bodies.
Oh my gosh, I don't want to find a dead body back there.
Or it might just be bones.
Bones. It probably would be bones, wouldn't it? So I might have to use a little shovel to break it up again. Don't do that. Furnace just kicked on. So if you're just joining us, Chris, Barry, see a couple people on there, cleaning out and painting and waterproofing our 160-year-old house's basement, and moving a bunch of doors and old stuff that was down here and back in the corner behind the furnace. I found this hole.
Oh my god! That just keeps going.
And my little Julie is quite the explorer. She couldn't wait to see what was down in that hole. Thinking maybe it's a secret room or secret hiding compartment for money or gold.
Yeah, okay. We might actually remove some of these bricks.
No, we're not removing any bricks.
I mean like this much.
Our old house, we need all the bricks we can get for this old house. So it just got a little noisy back here because the furnace kicked on. Old house, new furnace.
Old door, new furnace.
Old hole. Couple more places up there where there used to be holes. It's like.
So this
Oh, yeah, I know those are old. That's where the old furnace pipes used to be, probably. This house used to had a coal-fired furnace,
Dad, I need some
and
light.
then probably at some point oil-fired furnace, and then they upgraded to the modern
Oh my God!
gas
I
furnace.
am super lucky. We're lucky.
Man, can't quite see the back of the hole yet. Wonder where this tunnel could go like to. It could go clear up to Indianapolis, maybe. It could be like a secret smuggler's tunnel. Of course, that's pretty tiny for a smuggler's tunnel. Here, use this shovel to scoop it up. Here, look at this. You scrape out of there with that hole, and then scoop it up. This one.
Alright, I'm just going to keep scooping out.
She ain't afraid to get her hands dirty.
What?
So you're not afraid to get your hands dirty, are you?
I know this.
Now watch out, there might be sharp things in there. Okay? So you don't mind getting dirty, but I don't get hurt.
So we're over here. I need the light a lot. Yeah, that is way better. We might even find some like gold, like right rock or diamond.
Or you just might find some dirt.
Well,
Treasure hunters do a lot of digging before they actually find treasure.
you never know.
Just like when we go metal detecting, you find lots of junk before you actually find any treasures. But there's always that chance. That's what makes the hunt so exciting.
I'm just doing this. This dirt is pretty soft. Wow. I'm almost done. Let's see where it goes.
What's this? That's ice.
What? Ice?
How the heck did ice get down here? What?
It tricked me. It looks like diamond.
I know, it's all shiny. I got excited too. Not that it might be broken glass, but it's actually ice. I bet this leads up. I bet this is the chimney flue. I bet this goes way up to the second floor up to the chimney. That would make sense. Ah, bummer, my battery's getting ready to go dead.
It's we can take apart too.
Okay. Alright, we're gonna see.
What if we find something? We'll do it. We'll show you guys. I'm just gonna keep digging.
Okay. I'm gonna put my phone down. I'm gonna see if I can find a cord to plug it into.
Wow. That has a reflection. Oh my gosh! Dad! Come here! Oh my gosh. Daddy! It goes way up there! Yeah, I just saw. It goes way up there. Oh my god. What is this stuff? It goes way up there. Okay, that's amazing. That's amazing. Oh my god. Hey, I need light.
I'm gonna plug this in. Of course, I can plug my phone in.
I need light though.
Real.
Oh, here. Come here. Here. Can I show them where it leads? Here, guys. So, look.
Let me see.
There's a hole back there. There's a hole back there. We're almost there. Oh my gosh. That goes way up there. I just can't reach.
Huh?
What?
Not right now, Taylor. We're exploring.
Wait, I can show you. Hold on. Pause the video. Pause.
I can't pause the video.
Just keep digging, Dad.
Just keep digging.
Yeah, keep digging.
Just keep digging. Just keep digging. And I'm gonna do this. She watches way too many YouTubers. She's probably got some kind of idea in her head that she saw on YouTube and she's trying to do it. But anyway, truth be told, it's just an old chimney flue. Nothing too exciting, but you never know. Somebody might have stashed, a box of money or something there back in the day. I know we've been through old houses and found money stashed in Bibles and books and shoe boxes and cigar boxes and even between plates in an old cabinet. So never know what you might find. So we still got some dirt to dig out of here, but I have a feeling it's probably all we're gonna find is some dirt. But she's having fun. Okay, anyway, I gotta go dump this. I got it on a bucket. I pretty much filled it with dirt out of this hole. So, if I find anything exciting, we'll post it up or we'll do another Facebook Live. But for now, we'll go ahead and close this out and clean this thing out so I can get back to painting. Thanks for watching. Bye.